time for another exercise. Your task for this exercise is to write a script which searches through directories and subdirectories for a file given a search term. For example, let's say the search term is 14, the number 14. So you want to find all the files which have 14 in their names, in the file name. And here I have this destination directory and two other directories with these file names. So you want the script to search the destination directory and find any files that could be in that directory or in the subdirectories of the destination directory, such as items1, items2. In our case, we have two files that have 14 in their file names. So 14 here, and also this file name, another 14. The output of the script should be looking like this here. So we have two absolute paths pointing to each of the files that were found with that search term in the file name. Now, you haven't yet learned how to get the absolute path of a file, so I can teach you that right now. From pathlib import path, and if you have a path object pointing to a file such as destination items1 10.csv, for example, and then if you do print path.absolute, that's a method that will give you the absolute path of that particular file, 10.csv. The absolute path is the relative path plus the directories where this root directory is located in the computer. So this is a Linux computer, and it usually starts from /home, /another folder, /another folder, and so on. On Windows, it would be something like c:/ and then a range of folders. So with that, you're ready to complete this exercise. I'll give you the solution in the next video.